bawat RN license may sakripisyo. Ngayon, babalikin natin ang kwento ng mga nursing alumni students na ngayon ay registered nurse na. Hello Nationalians! Ngayon, kasama natin ang tatlong alumni from College of Nursing na ngayon ay registered nurse na. Isa-isa natin silang kailanganin.
Hi, my name is Charlene Javier, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, graduate from NU, na ngayon ay registered nurse na.
Hello, I am Lay, BSN graduate and proud RN. And you didn't just train us to pass exams, it trained us to lead and care.
Hi, I'm Nora Jewel Fabre. I'm a NU Nursing alumni and hindi naging madali yung journey ko, but at least, thanks to NU, naging RN ako.
Thank you so much, RN. So now we're going sa part of questions, which is, how's your nursing life? So, being a nursing student is not easy. What was the hardest part of your NU nursing journey?
Sa akin, since uwian ako, malayo. So, mas nadidrain ako sa pang-araw-araw na commute kaysa kapag nag-aaral ako.
At sa akin, yung pagbabalance ng academics, duties, and leadership role, yung NU tinulungan ako maging confidence and ma-develop yung aking accountability.
For me, yung pinakamahirap sa akin is the pressure to always perform well. Kasi, pero, yung mahirap na yon, natulungan niya ako na maging focused, professional, and maging better sa field na pupuntahan ko.
Thank you so much. So, grabe no, ang dami nilang hardship. Now naman, let's proceed sa what moment made you realize na nurse ako, ito ang calling ko?
For me, yung passing the board exam, like lahat ng puyat ko and all, like it's all worth it. Talaga.
Ako nung nag-aaral pa lang, kasi parang doon, mas lalo akong napapalapit sa nursing. Noong una ayaw ko talaga siya kasi alam mo naman natin, di ba, na nursing ang daming pinag-aaralan. But habang pinag-aaralan ko siya, mas napapamahal ako. And yung thought na makakatulong ka sa iba, parang magaan kasi siya sa pakiramdam.
Para sa akin, yung duty na kami sa hospital, kailangan ko ako yung mangunguna sa aking grupo at kailangan work under pressure talaga.
Grabe na, there's some point in our life na malalaman talaga natin na calling natin yung bagay at na gusto natin. So now, for the next question is, what one word and you values help you to become the nurse you are today?
Para sa akin, service.
For me, discipline.
Sa akin, compassion.
Wow! Thank you so much for sharing your journey and struggles to us. So ngayon naman, we want to hear what's your message to future nurses. What message would you like to give to current and nursing students?
For me, ang message ko lang sa inyo is always remember why you started.
For me, ang masasabi ko lang sa ating mga future nurses is, don't just aim to graduate, aim to serve.
For me, yung masasabi ko lang is believe in yourself kasi yung sarili mo lang yung makakatulong para mapunta ka sa kung anong career yung gusto mo.
Thank you so much for having an interview with us.
From National University to the world, we are nurses, we are Nationalians.